Good day, this is Nico Basson here, and this short tutorial will show you how to retrieve your survey report. Basically, you would go to Course Tools. Once your students are finished, go to Surveys, and in this case it will be your lecturer evaluation. There is the lecture evaluation or subject evaluation that was done. Go to the drop-down menu, go to Reports. There's the report I set up. Go into the report, generate HTML, and there's the report. How do I get this report? I say print report, then I can print it to wherever I want, or I can just say save as PDF. I say save, and I can now save it. I already saved it, and this is the report. If you have responses that you want to see, you could just go in there and expand those responses and then save as PDF. And that is within less than a minute how to save a report. If you haven't set up a report, let's quickly do that as well. Go to Course Tools, go to Survey, go into the survey once again. As you edited it, go to Report Setup. Now there is a report, so I am going to delete it. This is what you will see. Add report. You give the report the name you want to. You say that it must go to you, which is the lecturer, and you save. So it will create the report. You say save and close. So now you go to reports. There's the report. Generate HTML. And now you can save it. And that is just a short video on how to create a report and how to retrieve your survey report.